G'day, back with an unboxing today of a brand new product that's just come out a matter of a couple of days ago, my time, when I'm recording this. So let's crack right into it. We're going to do it from the Amazon box, so here we go. This is legit. I have not opened it yet, so let's check it out. You might get an idea of what this is from the back of the box, so let's pull it out, get rid of the box, and let's flip it over. It is the Rode NTH-100. What is a Rode NTH-100? It's Rode's first ever pair of headphones, specifically designed for creators. I feel pretty awesome that I got my hands on this little puppy, as they say, on this beast of a set of headphones. You might know Rode for doing things like the Rode Video Micro, the PSA 1 arm, the Rode Pod mic, which is hidden under all this stuff, and the mic that I'm using right now, the Rode Video Mic Go 2. So yeah, Rode is for mics, but now headsets. So let's open this thing, shall we? Here we go. I think this is just going to slide out, from what I can tell. No, there's a bit of adhesion on this side. Is there some on this side? No, just on the right, on the one side. So we can just pick a direction and pull it out. Here we go. Their packaging has got really, really sophisticated. You might have seen that in the last Rode mic review, the one up there that's recording right now, the Rode Video Mic Go 2. It says here it says listen up, which is also a subtle way of telling us to lift this up, I think. Pull that back. Interesting, we've got the Rode logo. And we've got a bag, and I believe everything we want is in this bag. Let's just lift this up and see what we got. Here we go. Gonna just put the bag with clearly the headphones inside. We've got the cable with which has the interesting connectors, which we'll talk about, and a adapter, obviously to go from the 3.5mm to the 6.5mm, and some color rings that you can use for identification. So you've got multiple of these in a studio podcast situation. You can use the colors to identify which set of headphones you're listening on. I don't know if there's anything else in here. Let's just have a look. No, that's it. There is more information on the back of the inner box. It says it's a lot of regulatory and safety stuff on the back here. There's a manufacturer declaration, so all the legal stuff is on the back of that. We didn't get a good look at we saw the outer shell of the box. We've got a basic diagram of the headphones here. There's some features. Similar thing on that side, so that's okay. Let's just move that box out of the way. Put the headphones there. We've got the ring and the adapter there. This is the pista resist. I don't do French. This is what we've come here for. So let's pull them out of the carry bag. I can hear something rattling in there, which would be the silica or the desiccant, as they call it. Do not eat. So we've got a nice little carry bag there, or storage bag you could say, which is an interesting shape. It's got like sort of a little rounded at the bottom. Pull string, that's nice. It's nice and soft, attention to detail. But let's just not muck around, because these are the headphones themselves. This is my first look at feeling of these. Ooh, they look good. They look good. They're not light. They've got a little bit of weight to them, and we can clearly see there, it's the right side and the left side. The cups are not round or oval. They have an interesting, somewhat of an ear shape. Not quite, but like a flat front and a more of a sticking out back. I think that's designed with people's ears in mind, which is interesting. The feel of that's nice soft padding there, and the ear cups as well. Now I'm told that both this pad at the top, across the top, and the ear cups are replaceable. So that's interesting. And these are adjustable. What we do is we have to turn these 90 degrees. Now let's go for the feel without plugging the cable in or anything. Let's just go for the feel and see if we can get the headset adjusted real quick. Okay. Just gonna loosen it up a bit just to feel what they feel like. And then what I'm gonna do is lock these in place so it doesn't adjust. Now my head, I feel like I've got a big head. And from what I can tell, I'm gonna put these at maximum so I get an idea. Yeah, that's loose. I want it to be comfortable but not too tight, not too loose. It feels a little bit loose. That'll do for now, so I'm gonna lock those in just for testing session. Now I can feel that they're definitely giving a good cup around my ears. I don't feel like there's any sort of gap or unevenness sitting. Initially, because I've been on my head for like, what, probably 60 seconds. They do feel comfortable after 60 seconds. Let's take them off and check this out. The cable. Now this cable is an interesting cable for two reasons. Now this is a premium feeling cable. At the same time, it's got decent thickness and it is lightweight at the same time. So we've got two ends. This end, I believe, with the gold thread on it, that goes into your device you're listening to. And this end goes into the headset. Now, have a look at this. The headset, you can plug this in on either side, which is pretty cool. So, because of where my equipment is on my desk, so in this situation, I'm going to put it on the right. This is the end that should go in. It goes in and turns, and that should now be in place. The other thing I notice is that you can order extra cables. So instead of having the standard black that comes with, you can have the same colors matching these rings. So you can go with, like, instead of just having a subtle ring to identify the headphones and the channel they're on, you could actually use a whole entire colored cable for that. So that's just an alternative. And now I'm gonna get my first listen to these. This is gonna be interesting. Now, if you wanna hear what I have to say, I'm gonna start testing these out and I'm gonna come back and do a separate video reviewing the Rode NTH-100s. So if you want that review sooner rather than later, then make sure you drop a comment down below on this video. In the meantime, this is Doug, and I'll catch you later.